Hello guys, I have your Klipsch. English ko na lang guys kasi i-upload ko rin to sa YouTube guys. Sinsyahan nyo na ang ating English. Basta repair. Try ko na lang mag-English. Maghirap kasi maggawa ng dalawang video English tsaka Tagalog. The quality of this is as good as a Bose. This one here, it's a 10-inch. See the speaker, it's kind of different. Let me show you also the model. R-10SW. You can tell right away the problem once you plug it. Yeah, see that? Yeah. Even if I remove the input from the phone, it still goes like that. So let's check what's happening inside. Here's our power supply here. It's an SMPS. This is the signal circuit here, which is quite really good, eh? Let's sub-circuit for a subwoofer. Let's check it out. So time to do the visual inspection. We'll start with the power supply first. Could be just some rifle causing that thumping sound, eh? English na tayo guys. Bara na tayong tala nito guys. No obvious signs. Just plug it in. Okay, let's see what's the voltage. It says +5 here. Ground. What's that other one? Con. What's that con? B minus B plus grounds. Must be for the amplifier and it's for the system. So it says here it's 50 volts here. We'll be expecting around 30 volts around here. Plug it in. There's no power here. Let's check the 5 volts. That's 5 volts here. How about this one here? So it has 1.927. I also see some parts here that has been worked on before. It's a bit brownish. It's really 330 ohms here. Yeah, it's around that 330. Amplifier is in this side here. Oh. So, the amplifier, I think that this is the amplifier here. It's covered by this metal. Pins are shorted. IRF 14212H. What is that? And there's a transistor here, TIP. So I would rather pull this power supply out rather than taking this out, the whole assembly, because of this. See that adhesive there? Also, you have to deal with these things in here. So I'd rather take this out and remove the IC from here. So now guys, I now remove the power supply from here. So let's also check another parts around that IC. Okay, this one is reading short, yeah. This one seems normal. This one reads short. Oh, it's also reads short here. I think it's parallel to this IC here. Let's also see the resistors here. Once we remove this, let's see if these other parts here are still shorted. I did it quite okay. Did not give me problem. Careful, because it could not be the one that's defective. It could be that the diodes. Okay, and then let's measure the circuit again. Still shorted here, and this one was short, so it's no longer shorted now. So about these two guys here. Okay, yeah, all good here. Okay, and let's also check the MOSFET. Shorted here. Yeah, it's really shorted. Yeah, all pins are shorted. What happened there? So this was the culprit here. Okay, I have to order the parts, including the one there, and see if it fixed the problem. See you next time. If you have a Klipsch like this and it goes like that, probably it could be the problem here, and some other parts inside. I'll just check the capacitors, the ESRs, to make sure capacitors are still okay. So for now, that's all.